Ding ding ling, what is your favorite food?
I'm not sure. Never mind. This is my fate.
Hands up, this is the police. You're under arrest.
Come on, man. I just popped out and you're already arresting me.
Tyrone, what are you going to do when you get home?
I am going to drive a stolen Hellcat home, order some KFC, and play some basketball. You feel me?
Rajit is about to say his first words. What's it gonna be?
Do not redeem the gift card. I said don't redeem it.
Aren't you a little young to be working?
My parents said if I want to own a home, I got to start now. Now move. I get paid by the hour and you holding me up, man.
What do you want to be when you grow up?
I want to be normal, but I have 2 dads, so I'll probably end up being a transformer.
And welcome to the world. You're the youngest person on earth. How do you feel?
Put me back. I heard my parents speaking Indian.
Lil, man, where you headed?
Nah, gang, get me out of here. You see these taxes? This the setup. Y'all still got that guy in office.
I'm good.